Alright guys, thanks for joining me, and in this video, we got a new part for the Miata, and the reason why the stock system that this is replacing sucks, and it blows, and it needs to be replaced, and I'll show you why later. This box right here is actually for the WRX, and we're going to do this on a separate video. But let's get this out the way, and let's show you exactly what I got. If we have time, if it doesn't get too dark, we'll probably install it, because it's almost sunset time. Gaskets. So by what it said on the box, you probably already know what it is, and the reason why I'm replacing the stock system is because it leaks in multiple spots. Not one, not two, actually multiple spots. And this one I just got off of eBay, spent $100-something on it. I didn't want to spend too much on the exhaust because I wasn't really planning on an aftermarket exhaust, but the aftermarket ones are actually cheaper than people selling stock exhausts. For some reason, people think the stock exhaust systems are worth $300. It's ridiculous. And if you guys didn't see in the last video, the exhaust just sounds horrendous with multiple exhaust leaks all throughout the pipe, and the muffler it's just rusted out. So I'll show you. Beware. It sounds horrible. Alright guys, it's many hours later, and what I have in my hand is the OEM catalytic converter. I don't know why I can't talk. It's late. It's almost midnight right now on a work night. But as you can see, there's a stud on here, and the person before me kind of cross-threaded the nut. So when I was undoing the cat, it broke the stud off. So I had to drill this out, and it was kind of a pain in the butt. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, just a little bit more drilling so I can make that bolt hole a little bigger so I can fit a bolt through, clean off all of this old gasket material, then I can get on to the exhaust install. So put on that extra bolt. Now it's time to finally bolt the exhaust on. Cool. Supposed to fit. Oh God, you gotta be kidding me.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
must say about this exhaust is, one thing I noticed right away is this exhaust drones really loud. Once in a while, at around RPMs, that drone just hits you really hard. So if you want an exhaust that does not drone, this is not the exhaust for you. Alright, so there it is. That's the Manzo exhaust that you can get off of eBay. Although the exhaust isn't all that bad, it's not an exhaust I would personally recommend. The reason is there's a part on your subframe that you have to cut off in order to properly install the exhaust. That part I did not know of, and if I knew that beforehand, I probably would not have purchased this exhaust. So there it is. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully by this time I've earned your subscription. If you haven't done so, please go ahead, comment, and subscribe down below, and we will talk to you guys later. Peace out.